So today we're at Lidl's and it's raining, and we've got a few plants to show today, some more interesting ones towards the end. But first of all, we've got English lavender. These are perfect for the bees and the butterflies. Plant these in full sun and they should do really well. These are $3.49. On the bottom shelf we've got the large bedding perennials, and there's a selection of lavender and also dianthus, and I'm sure there's some more. $4.99. These are really pretty, and dianthus will come back year after year. Inside we've got some British dahlias. This is a garden favourite. These are selling at £3.95, and these are looking really healthy. We've got these lovely gorgeous colours. They look absolutely perfect. I've just posted a video of planting my yellow dahlias, so check that out. These are selling at £3.99, so that's a real good deal. Looking really good. No buds on this one, looking good. Next on the shelf is this polycysis. These have no price, but they look quite interesting. Looks like a house plant, really looking interesting. And we've got these small little plants next door. No prices for these, so I have no idea what they are. And those beautiful house plants that we saw last week. We've got some house plants in the corner here. These are $2.99. This looks like they're last year's plants. We've got some grow bag. These are $2.79. There's a new pallet come in recently. Then we've got some compost, multi-purpose compost. These are £3.99. We've got a new supply of those. And then we've also got the smaller bags, selling at £1.99. I've used these in my tomato planter, so that'd be quite interesting to see how it is. So star of this week is this Alstroemeria, or also known as Peruvian lilies. And these are a hardy perennial, and they will come back every year. These ones will flower until the end of summer, towards winter. And these are selling at $9.99. There's all various colours, reds, pinks, purples, and that's a great deal for £9.99. And then on the bottom shelf here, we've got last week's perennials. These are the Cosmos, Dianthus. These are selling at £1.99. So let me know in the comments. Have you got any of these? Have you heard of Alstroemeria? Let me know in the comments, and that would be great. Also bedding plants, $1.99 inside the shop, and they're still going really well. So please subscribe, ring that bell, get some comments when I post some more. Cheers!